Dialect. Dialect is a variety of a language that signals where a person comes from. It's a form of language that is spoken only in one area or a particular group. Dialects are important because they, first, show us who we are because dialects carry the history, beliefs, and stories of a people. If a language dies, we lose a part of our cultural heritage. The second one, make our world more interesting because imagine a world where everyone spoke the same way. It would be like listening to the same song over and over again, wouldn't it? So dialects add variety, creativity, and a deeper understanding to cultures. And the third one, help us understand each other better. Learning about different dialects lets us connect with people from different backgrounds. Fourth one, keep our language alive. If we don't use them, they can disappear like a fading memory. Talking with them, valuable cultures, knowledge, and tradition.
An endangered language is one that is likely to become extinct in the near future. Many other languages are no longer being learned by new generations of children or by new adult speakers. These languages will become extinct when their last speaker dies. According to Hernandez 2019, the loss of one language would be a loss to the overall body of knowledge.
And Filipino are widely spoken. There is a risk of dialects being marginalized and disappearing. The Philippines is one of the most linguistically diverse countries in the world. In March 2022, the development of the Department of Science and Technology, National Research Council of the Philippines claimed and Filipino are about 187 Philippine dialects. Out of that number, only 183 are considered living languages. Some 175 of these living languages are indigenous while 8 are non-indigenous. There are also roughly 13 languages that have been classified as endangered and 11 of them are dying out, are about 187 Philippine dialects. Out of that number, so why it's important to retain dialects, especially here in the Philippines.
Ninyo tanan.
Agandao, assalamualaikum, maayong adlaw kanatong tanan.
Assalamualaikum, makagali si Mariam Lara Ashraf Abdulhamid nga nagahalin kang nagapresentar sa lugar sa Kabalaka, Capiz. Ako proud na bisakol, mapagpalangga sa Coragon. Sabi do, kini yularing kanuapan ko ngarang peka pasunting at peka nangalago. Kapampangan ko, Pilipina ko, pagmaragol ko. O asa ang mga syupong-syupa from north to south, province of Cebu.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako ay si Erica Evangelista, nire-representa kung saan din ako bumibili ng tela, Rizal!
Paisot ikong kunadangan na imped or kuripot kami. Ngamahan kami nga na imod. Amumi lang mapatsyan iti sakripisyo, ken rigat, iti maysa ken maysa. Maysa nga Pilipina, maysa nga Ilocana.
Province ng Surigao del Norte, daghan kaayo mga nindot mga places nga pwede ninyo bisitahon.
Ug ang akong pinakapaboritong prutas kay ang pinakalami ug pinakamumot na durian gikan sa
Davao City.
kinagagal akong irepresenta ang siyudad ng Pasay. Your gateway to the Philippines.
Retaining dialects in the Philippines is crucial because it preserves the country's cultural heritage, linguistic diversity, and community identity. They reflect the diverse heritage of different regions within the country. Each native language has its own distinct vocabulary, grammar rules, and pronunciation. Each Philippine dialect carries a unique cultural heritage, reflecting the history, tradition, and beliefs of specific communities. This dialect often contain valuable knowledge about local custom, folklore. They create a shared language that binds people together, fostering understanding and empathy. Losing a dialect can weaken the sense of identity and connection within a community. Retaining dialects in the Philippines is not just about preserving different ways of speaking. It is about safeguarding the essence of Filipino culture and identity. These dialects are more than just a words. They carry the weight of history, the richness of tradition, and the beliefs of diverse communities across the island. By preserving this, we can ensure that our cultural heritage remains. It is a testament to the resilience and the richness of a Filipino culture. It is a commitment to preserving the soul of the nation, ensuring the voices of the past continue in the present and guide the way forward for future generations.